What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about Tempmail. Tempmail is basically a disposable email generator, which means it will give you a one-time email address or a one-time email ID. It's a free email generator to create disposable email. Let's see how to use Tempmail app. This is basically going to help you in terms of going ahead and logging into the websites which ask you for verification of your email IDs. Let's help you with Tempmail. Let's get quickly started. As you can currently see on my screen, Tempmail is already open and there is an email ID, a temporary email ID generator which has already been generated. I have another website which is open over here. The way Tempmail works is you click on this particular website to get signed up on the website. Now, since this is a demonstration process, I'm going to go ahead and start typing it as test and I'll be copying this particular email ID from here and pasting it. Type the password that you want to go ahead and add to this and click on create account. Once you click on the create account button, it's going to ask you to verify your email ID. What you need to simply do is go back on your tempmail.org website and check this email. There is an email that we have received from VoiceFlow team. I'm going to open that particular email and click on the verify email option. Once you go ahead and do that, your email ID is being verified and you can get started. If you like the video about this Tempmail, basically a temporary email generator, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep on geeking.